favorite spot, guys. Nagtambay kami dito, guys. Hey, everybody, everybody, everybody. Tambay-tambay mood. Nag-antay na makakuha ng maraming crabs. Ayan, dito muna kami kasi mainit doon sa dock na yun. Kaya, tambay.